Project Velocity is a Kainga Ora initiative that aims to increase the pace and efficiency of building homes in the construction industry. VIP Frames and Trusses began as a small family-owned business in 2007 and has since grown into a successful and well-known brand within the industry. We have over 300 employees across 3 pre-nail manufacturing plants in New Zealand. VIP Prefab is a company we have established to service the need for cost-effective prefabricated construction methods. This is a real point of difference within the market and offers more efficiency in completing projects faster with reduced labour and minimising potential delays on site. Our team is strongly aligned with the Velocity strategy, and we are proud to be working with key stakeholders and build partners to provide quality prefabricated homes with Kainga Ora. Today, we're highlighting the 2-storey development by Miles Construction in Redwood, Christchurch. This project is unique as it was the first time we have installed our pod system straight onto piles. 2 multi-level homes were manufactured and assembled off-site and then transported to location. Being a restricted site with limited access, we work closely with our client to ensure successful installation with minimal disturbance to the local residents. Our prefab system was then installed within 4 hours from the first lift. This allowed Miles Construction to have the roof on both homes installed within the week. We pride ourselves on being able to pivot quickly and be competitive within the market. We go the extra mile for our customers, ensuring expectations are met and providing the best service possible. At VIP Frames and Trusses, we are proud to build sustainable working partnerships with our clients to offer prefabricated products to assist the supply of affordable and high-quality homes in New Zealand.